Hi guys, welcome to Psycho Says. Secret to make a girl fall in love with you. As a guy, what do you do when you find yourself falling for a girl? If you're just like most guys, you'll pursue her, and then, you'll woo her, and a few days, you tell her that you like her or love her, then you think she will accept your love. This way is wrong. When we get something too easily without really working for it, we never appreciate it, and that holds good for material things, and for matters of the heart too. Have you ever got really close to a girl, only to be thrown to the floor a few weeks later? When it comes to pursuing a girl, always take things slow, pursue her, but at the same time, make her work for your affection too. Here are 10 easy ways to make a girl fall in love with you. You are my kind-hearted friend. Support this channel so that it continues to grow. To greet you by pressing the like, subscribe and comment buttons. If so, let's continue. 1. Avoid rushing. Be patient and keep your composure. Never, ever be too eager to express your feelings to the girl you like, or to make your intentions evident. 2. First and foremost, love yourself. Fall in love with yourself and respect yourself. Then, the world will see you the same way too. If you don't think you're awesome, how can you convince the world and all the beautiful girls in it that you're an awesome guy? This is very important if you want to make a girl fall for you. 3. Just the appropriate amount of attention, please. Don't neglect your obligations while giving her all of your undivided attention. That is the quickest method to have a female get tired of you. She'll assume you're a boring guy with all the time in the world to spare. That's not going to give her the best impression of you. Keep to your regular schedule and make time to see your friends too. In any case, it's crucial to keep your identity intact when you fall in love. 4. Leave some mystery. This tip is for you. If you're wondering how to make a female feel like she's losing you, or how to make a girl miss you a lot. As a result, keep a little of the mystery alive. Don't spill everything to her. Allowing her to be assured of your intentions is a bad idea. Don't always respond to her texts immediately. Leave some room for skepticism. That's how you'll get her to remember you, constantly. It gives her the freedom to utilize her imagination in a way that will make her enamored with you. 5. Don't smother her. If you want to make a girl want you, she shouldn't have the feeling that she's your only option. You should let the girl know something is going on between you and her as quickly as possible, but not in a way that makes you appear needy. You should never act desperate, as if you do anything to make her like you. You won't be able to attract her if you do this. You'll do the exact opposite. You'll turn her off and push her away. Women aren't drawn to low-value men who have no other options. Women are drawn to high-value males who have a variety of possibilities. 6. Don't brag about yourself. By bragging about yourself, you actually produce the opposite effect as the one intended. It's far preferable to remain silent and let the girl discover your talents and accomplishments on her own. Furthermore, she will find it far more impressive. She'll be curious about the other fascinating aspects of you that you haven't told her about. A woman's imagination is one of your most powerful partners when it comes to stimulating her. 7. Compliment her. When you give a female a sincere compliment, one that signals you find her attractive, you make her feel wanted. It convinces her that you're more than simply a friend. As a result, she begins to imagine various sexual or romantic scenarios involving you in her mind. And plain and simple, she'll begin to like you. 8. Nice clothing. How you dress reflects your social status. Your clothing is one of the first things people will use to form an opinion of you when they meet you. People will regard you as a wealthy businessman if you dress in the manner of a wealthy businessman. People will regard you as a bum if you dress like a bum, on the other hand. 9. Give her a long, hard look. How do you persuade a female to hug you? Look a girl in the eyes for a long time to make her like you through your gaze. An intense look is a very effective approach to create sexual tension at this time. It will give her the impression that something is going on between you and her, causing her to like you. 10. Touch her. When it comes to turning a girl on, physical contact is another great weapon. To begin with, the girl will sense a sexual connection between you and her. Second, she'll pick up on your manly demeanor, which is going to make her horny. You can, for example, touch her to move her, check the fabric of her sweater, softly and playfully push her away when taunting her, and so on. Thanks for watching, my best friend. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.